Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike Solarsoft 2. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike Solarsoft 2 men's flip-flops. And this pair is in the UK size 9 or US size 10 or EU 44. And this pair is in the black anthracite white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by pulling out that flap to reveal the contents inside. Let's slide the Nike Solarsoft 2 out from its box packaging and just checking through to make sure nothing else is left inside. So we can set the box down and to the left hand side of the frame and just setting the contents on the tabletop so you have a nice clear look of the pair of Nike Solarsoft 2 men's flip-flops. So as I mentioned, this pair is in the black anthracite white colorway and in the UK size 9, US size 10, EU 44. Now taking a look at them together, you can see they have a very dark charcoal with some black accents around the foot straps or straps, and on the underside it is a nice dark black. Let's just focus on the left foot for now, so we're just going to set the right foot on perhaps the left side of the frame and just taking a look at this. Let's do some adjustments around the tabletop. So just trying to get everything to fit in frame without interfering with the foreground. So here we are with the left foot side. So initial impressions is that it is super light. It does have the Solarsoft sole, so it is a foam sole, and just giving you a look all around at the details of this Nike Solarsoft 2. So right there is a sticky label or sticker that says "Squeeze Me." So just showing you how soft that material is. Just pressing down. So it does have a rubber upper as well as a Solarsoft sole right there. And you can see those grooves or channels on that chunky thread. So right down and across the length of the foot or sole. So just giving you a straight up look right there, and just going to rotate to give you that complete look at this left foot side of the Nike Solarsoft 2. So you can see on the sole or outsole right there, the Solarsoft foam sole as well as the rubber upper. So giving you a front on or head on view at this Nike Solarsoft 2. And right there you can see the Nike branding as well on the outer side of the flip-flops. And it does have a white Nike print at the heel of the flip-flop. And just giving you a look at the thickness as well. So it does have those channels or grooves along the midsole. And just to give you some idea, doing a press test or compression test just with my fingers. So nice and firm, yet being very light in weight. So let's do a flex and bend test. So right there giving you some idea as to the flexibility of the material. And of course, once again, giving you some idea, pressing with significant effort to show you just how cushy that material is while being super light in weight, so very light, and just giving you an idea of that texture up close. So that's the outsole or sole of the flip-flop. And just pressing down, giving you a top-down view right there, perhaps further out just so you can see and have a better perspective of this flip-flop. And right there, once again giving you some idea as to the softness and cushiness of this flip-flop. So right there, giving you some idea of the flexibility as well, and of the strap. So up close, that Y strap, and the overall fitment on the underside with the stud finishes. So that's the left foot side of the Nike Solarsoft 2 in a UK size 9, US size 10, EU 44. Okay, now let's take a look at the right foot side. So just going to position the left foot side on the left side of the frame. So now taking a look at the right foot side, giving you some close-up details. So there is a tag here. For this Nike Solarsoft 2 and the sizing details. So right there, once again, we're looking this time around at the right foot side. So nice and soft. And once again, we see that Nike white print on the anthracite colorway with, of course, the black and white accents to it. Right there, giving you some idea of the thickness. And once again, doing a flex and bend test. And of course, a compression test as well, giving you some idea as to the softness of this material. See, just pushing down on the edges to give you a better idea right there of the level of cushioning and absorption of this Nike Solarsoft 2. Okay, so nice overall details right throughout. Of this flip-flop. And now taking a look at the pair together. So right there, in the black anthracite white colorway, you can see those colors working together quite nicely with the charcoal-like anthracite, of course, and with the black and white Nike logo, black strap, white Nike logo, and at the rear as well towards the heel. And taking a look at the underside with the pair together side by side, giving you a nice clear look at the sole of the Solarsoft cushioning. So that's the Nike Solarsoft 2. Thanks for watching and happy walking!